We are the students of CSE department. Our title is Measuring Student Performance and Providing Feedback, and our teammates is Dinesh, Ishasri and Vishnu. Introduction. The specification and continuous assignment of student outcomes and competencies having the become central focus is undergraduate and postgraduate engineering and business education. The Advanced Collegiate Schools of Business ACSB impairs direct assessment of student learning through a formulation of specific learning goals and the conduct of direct assessment of learning goal attainment. Next, literature survey. In the search, it was found that mechanism it needed to integrate the process of teaching, learning, and assessment of some of the essential approaches are feedback and feed forward. An easier way to understand the contrast between feedback and feed forward. Whereas the feed forward looks ahead to subsequent assessment and offers constructive criticism on how to do better future focused. Next, feedback. Researchers examined students and with feedback and proposed many ideas to increase student performance such as careless and bound conceptual paper which demonstrate student responses and discussed the several barriers to student uptake of feedback. The framework consists of 4 interrelated features: appreciating feedback, make judgments, managing affect and taking action, design and evaluation of feedback strategies for digital learning environments. Next, feed forward. The term feedback is constantly being replaced by the principles of feed forward, through which developmental comments of improving work are provided rather than the focus or shortcoming of an assessment. Therefore, feed forward is an educational strategy focusing on providing students with exposure to prior practice with assessment in order to clarify exception and standards. Two mechanisms that lead to withdrawal of attention to feedback. One was the student precipitation that he or she could not understand feedback, and the other was dwelling on the negative effect of provided by making errors.
Problem analysis. Results were consisted in percentage to overcome the difference in student numbers. Student performance for semester 1 modules. The first evaluation tool used in this study is performance of computing and engineering students for the model taken in the tables. Then the table 1 clearly indicates that the percentage of students which were performed in the tests. This is the diagram of computing students performance. Introducing to computing mathematics, next introducing to web design and development, then introduction of software development. Next, the PL model implements feed forwarded techniques, whereas ET and FEE used technical methods. Tables of two demonstrations that the pass rate of PL is higher than the older two models. Moreover, it was noted that the students for PL, which is 20, is the lowest compared to the other two models, which means most of the students' marks are close to the mean of 16%. It is the worth mentoring that PL and FE had a same mean 16%, but the pass rate difference between the two ways visit. It indicates that the PL pass rate is greater than the other two models. It is worth mentoring that PL has the same mean pass rate of student performance. This is the diagram of engineering which has performed by essential techniques and personal results. Next, the student performance is computing and engineering for the feedback approaches in place and previous techniques. By comparing the pass rates in the academic year 2017 to 2018, it was found that the pass rate is computing field for the introduction to computing mathematics modulus increased from 68% to 89%. It is noted that the personal learning model, the pass rate increased from 17% to 92% with an increment of 22.
Resources and techniques. The student population at University of West London comprised of those who come from underprivileged backgrounds with a range of abilities and demographics. The study of limited to a specific group of students, mainly the foundational year students from the separate subject areas. Computing and engineering taking introduction on computing mathematics and personalized learning, respectively. At the foundational level, a range feed-forward approaches was applied in this study. It should be emphasized that the approach applied dependent on nature of the assessment task. Most sessions were held in allocated PC aberration because digital technology was heavily utilized in accomplishing the various activities. At the foundation stage, a typical assessment consisted of portfolio of miscellaneous weekly tasks that contributed to one overall summative assignment. Group presentation, demonstration of lab work, and small problem solving tasks. After the lecture lesson, standard practice started by discussing the task. Student towards the correct approach in their ways of thinking and analyzing problems. Thank you.